Good morning, students. So today's there are the some questions of if else I am explaining. So the question number first is input a number and check this number is positive number or negative number. So the solution for this question is class demo void input. We are taking a one variable integer n for input and writing we are condition if n is greater than 0, so we will print number is positive, otherwise we will print number is negative. So this is the solution for question number first. Now the question number second is input a number and check this number is even number or odd number. So when the number will be divided by 0 and the remainder will come 0, when the number will be divided by 2 and the remainder will come 0, then this number will be even number, otherwise this number will be odd number. So starting is same, class demo void input integer of n. If n mod of 2 is equal of 0, then we will print number is even number, otherwise number is odd number. And now there is the third question. Question number third, input a number and check this number is a two-digit number or not. So what will be the two-digit number? From 10 to 99, these are called the two-digit number. Class demo void input, we have to input a single number integer n. Now there is the condition if n is greater equal 10 and n is less than equal 99, then we will print two-digit number, otherwise we will print a three-digit number. Now the next is the question number 4. Input a number and check this number is buzz number or not. Yesterday I have explained what do you mean by the buzz number. A number which is divisible by 7, either end by 7, is called a buzz number. So the solution of this is class demo void input. We are inputting again one number and there the condition if n mod of 7 equals 0. So this is the first condition, or this is the symbol of or n mod of 10 is equal to 7. So here the only last digit will come from the number. So if the number is divisible by 7 or either the last digit of the number is 7, then we will print number is a buzz number, otherwise number is not a buzz number. Now the next question again a simple question, input a year and check this year is a leap year or not. So leap year is a year which is divisible by 4. So class demo void input integer of y we are taking a year, input year. If y mod of 4 is equal to 0, if this condition will be true, then we will print the year is a leap year, otherwise the year is not leap year. Now the next two more question is question number 6 is input a three sides of triangle and check whether the triangle is possible or not. So when you are inputting a three sides, so triangle is possible. When the triangle is possible, when any of the sum of any two side is greater than the third side, then triangle will be possible, otherwise triangle will not possible. So in this question we have to input a three sides. So we are taking class demo void input and the three sides A, B and C. So these are for the input, and there is the condition if the A plus B is greater than C or B plus C is greater than A. This is the first condition, this is the second condition, and the third condition A plus C is greater than B. So if any one of the condition between these, when the condition will be true, then we will print triangle is possible, otherwise triangle is not possible. And the last question is input the purchase amount, whatever the item you have purchased. So there is the gift according to the purchase amount. So if the user is purchased a less than 500, so there will be a gift for the user keyring. Or if user purchase any amount between 500 to 1000, then there will be a gift is a pocket calculator. Or above 1000, the gift will be leather purse. So this is the question. Now here this is the solution, class demo. We are inputting his here void input double amount. Here is the amount, so any amount, this will maybe a purchase amount or a sale amount, so always we will take in a form of double. So if the amount is less than 500, then we will print gift is keyring. Second condition, else if the amount is greater equal 500 and amount is less than equal 1000, then gift will be pocket calculator. Or if the both condition will be false, then last this will automatically print gift is a leather purse.